Okay, so we'll start from scratch. You'll see in your course notes that I've supplied you with some low relief design templates. Okay, so this is what you've got in your pack. There's the word love, there's a couple of words and flowers, animals, beautiful butterflies, and then some dragonflies. So these are just some really easy designs to get started with, just so that I can show you the technique. And I've decided that we'll do this one first, just so that I can show you how to cut the metal. So we'll get everything else out of the way and I'll show you what I normally do. So let's say I want to mount my design. Once it's done, I want to mount it onto a book. So what I'll do is I'll make sure I'll have some cardboard that fits the size of my word. Okay, and then the next step will be to cut my metal the same size, or just a little bit bigger even, than this piece of cardboard. So what I'll do, let me just get it aligned. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll secure it with some masking tape, just so that it doesn't slip and slide when you try and cut it. Okay, so then you'll want to use your brayer, your rubber roller, and just make sure that your metal is nice and flat. You can even use a little bit more masking tape. Okay, and then we'll use this piece of cardboard as a design template. So at the end of it, we're going to fold that little bit, the excess bit, we're going to fold that over our mounting board, and it'll just give us a really nice, neat finish. So what we'll do is we just transfer the template size like that, so that we know where to place our design on the metal. Okay. So the next thing we'll do is I just want to leave about 1 centimeter edge around that little line there, if you can see it. And I'm going to use my cutting tool for this. So this is a cutting tool right here. It's a needle tip cutting tool. It's quite sharp, but it normally takes about 2 or 3 goes before it actually cuts through your metal. Okay, like that. And I prefer to use the cutting tool because it gives a really nice finish. There's no serrated edges or anything on it. You can also use your scissors. So because you've already got this, and we're not going to use, I mean, that doesn't need to be precise. You can just use your scissors to cut about 1 centimeter edge around it. Easy peasy. Okay, so that is how you cut your metal.